Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the AstroAI Car Vacuum, a must-have car accessory designed for quick and efficient cleaning on the go. This portable handheld vacuum cleaner boasts a powerful motor with upgraded aluminum fan blades, delivering an impressive 7,500 PA of suction power to tackle dust and dirt with ease. Equipped with a 12 volts DC power cord that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter, this vacuum is perfect for daily car cleaning, and its 16.4-foot cord ensures you can reach every corner of your vehicle. The super wide-angle LED light illuminates dark areas, making it easy to spot and clean hidden debris, while the 560 megaliters visible dust cup allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. With washable filters and 3 additional nozzles, this vacuum is versatile and easy to maintain, ensuring it meets all your cleaning demands. Weighing just 2.7 pounds, its compact and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use and easy to store in the included protective storage bag. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient car cleaning solution, the AstroAI Car Vacuum is your go-to device for keeping your vehicle spotless. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.